Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove all watch later videos on YouTube. So first thing first, log into our YouTube and then we go to our U button right here. Wanna click on playlist or watch later if you have everything. So this is my watch later and you click on it. YouTube hasn't added a feature to delete all your watch later video all at once. Hopefully they will at some point. All you can do is delete it one after the other. So I have 357 videos here, and to delete, all you have to do is just click on this three dot right here and click on remove from watch later. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. Move from watch later. All right. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.